everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I just went to the mailbox. I got a little bit of happy mail. So Daisy and I decided that we would come outside. It's actually not that bad of a day. It's 95 degrees and got a little bit of a breeze. Not too bad. It's supposed to get in the triple digits next week, so we need to enjoy this weather while we have it. But anyway, Kim over at the Dolls, the Witch, and the Wardrobe sent me a little gift here. She made these. How adorable. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, first things first. Aren't those precious? We have an octopus, and that looks like a starfish, a little crab, a couple more octopi there. We have a seashell and a seahorse, another starfish and another shell. These are adorable. Let's see. I could even wear them. They're actually made for the dolls, though. Let's see, she's got pink and green on. Oh. This one right here will be perfect. How cute. Let's see. Let's put this one on her too. This is the one with the seahorse and the seashell. Aren't those cute? Now this other thing I was not expecting. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about all this, but look at this. Kim, I love your little hang tags. We have ourselves a necklace. She's going to match me. There she is, all decked out, and her new stuff goes really nicely with her dress. We kind of match. Thank you so much, Kim, for this nice little gift. And thank y'all for joining Daisy and I today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.